Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Zida.
And we're here at
Bohemian.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Bohemian Hotel in Savannah, Georgia, staying at this Autograph Collection, beautiful hotel. Now in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at. It's the corner, larger room, one king, overlooking the historic view. So we'll show you guys that and some of the amenities and on-site dinings that this place has to offer. So let's get started and show you guys Bohemian Hotel. All right, so this is our room right here, 501. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Very nice. Open layout. Now we were told this is one of 6 rooms at this hotel. So this is their suite. We'll have a look at everything over here. So look at the chest. I mean, everything has its own little theme going on here. So you got like the pirate type theme all around. Goes great with the entire Bohemian Hotel's look. So we got a dresser here. Go ahead and get settled. All these are empty. And then you got a little Frigidaire fridge. How cool is this? How do you open this? Let's see. Oh yeah, right here. So we got a little fridge on this. Very nice, like that. A little ice box, coffee maker, and everything to make that happen. Right over there, and then you got a mirror as well. Now, off to the right here, we'll check this out real quick. So for your suitcase, some artwork. Now, there's a lot of unique artwork throughout this entire hotel, which makes this hotel very unique on its own. Don't mind our luggage on this side, but you got a little area here that leads to the closet. You got a floor-to-ceiling mirror. And we'll show you guys the closet as well. So you got some robes in here. Go ahead and use it. You're safe on top with the iron and ironing board as well. Close that out. And then let's check out the view. So right in the front of the hotel. So as you can see. And we'll pan on over. So this is the king bed. The chandelier on top. Luxurious vibe. Check out the backboard on that bed as well. Very, very nice. And then your end table. Again, going with the theme. They do not disappoint here. And the windows all throughout, floor to ceiling, windows all around, as you can see. So a lot of light coming in, which I absolutely love. And then you also got your work desk right in front of your bed. Oh, nice. They got us some snacks here. Thank you so much, Bohemian, for all of this. And then your TV, large TV right in front, desktop clock, and your phone with a pen. Oh, even the pillars. Look at that. How cool is that? Attention to detail all throughout. And then your end table on this side as well with your remote and your table lamp. And then 2 chairs. And then moving on over, we'll check out the bathroom. Look at the curtains too. Oh, that's a huge bathroom. So double sink. All your amenities in the middle here. And moving on over, you got your standing shower. And then your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And then your toilet on the back end here. Some more artwork, as mentioned. And then your toilet. So yeah, this concludes the tour of the suite here at the Bohemian. Let's see what else this place has to offer. The hotel does offer a couple of dining options. Coastal 15, a cuisine with a touch of Southern heritage located on the lower level, serving you breakfast, brunch, and dinner. On the rooftop, you'll find Rocks on the Roof, serving small bites with big views. Other amenities include a fitness center and valet parking up front. So they got these coins all throughout the lobby and the hotel. They're hidden. What are they for?
If you slide them, you can You have to tell the front desk, and then you're gonna get a prize.
Ooh, you get a prize if you find one of these laying around. Well, there you folks have it, the Bohemian Hotel in Savannah, Georgia. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye and subscribe.